Hello dear student, welcome to the fifth semester. My name is Paras Kalaria. I am an assistant professor in Information and Technology Department at Atmiya University. I welcome all of you to this new course named Advanced Web Designing, acronymed as AWD. Now, in this session, I am going to familiarize you with the course objective and outcome. This is the scheme of syllabus proposed by Atmiya University for student. The course name is, as I said, Advanced Web Designing. Course code is this one, and totally you have to spend 3 hours in a week for this lecture, and lecture is having 3 credit. This course is known as a core course of your 5th semester. So this is the very fundamental and basic course that every IT student have to know. Now, what is the objective of designing this course? One of the objective of the course is to get familiar with installation of XAMPP and perform all database queries. So you are going to learn this particular topic in this syllabus. The course aiming to expose students to develop and organize your PHP code into models, views and controllers in an MVC framework. So one of the objective of this course is to get familiar with the MVC framework of PHP. The third one is to understand JavaScript language, the document object model, work with regular expressions and validate data. So this is also one of the core part of this syllabus. You are going to familiarize with JavaScript language and work with DOM structure, that is document object model and validation. The last one is student is able to handle errors and exception in PHP and display more or less error detail based on the environment. So you are going to handle exceptions and errors arise in PHP code, and yourself you are going to troubleshoot the program. So this is the objective of this course. At the end of completing this course, students are going to achieve following outcome. This is the course outcome of the syllabus. One is to understand major of web technology and MySQL database. So student is going to understand majority part of what is web technology and what is MySQL database, how MySQL database is related to web technology like PHP and JavaScript. Learn all major concepts of JavaScript, Ajax and JSON. So our syllabus is mainly focused on JavaScript, whereas Ajax and JSON is having some introductory lessons and practicals also. Third one is gain the PHP programming skills needed to successfully build interactive data-driven website. Yes, at the end of completing this course, the students are able to develop interactive and data-driven website. Last one is student became proficient in PHP and MySQL web developer using MVC architecture. So these are the outcome of course when you complete this course. So in today's session, you are guided what are the course outcome and what is the objective of the course. In the next session, we are going to see in detail how the syllabus is arranged and how you have to work with this subject. Thank you very much.